If you ever wanted to make money online without showing your face, filming every day, or hiring a full production team, AI influencers are the cheat code right now. Brands are paying thousands for content. And the wild part is, the influencer doesn't even have to be real anymore. I'm going to show you how to create your own AI influencer from scratch and how people are using them to build income streams through brand deals, digital products, and content that runs on autopilot. My name is Oranges AI, and I'm an AI educator on YouTube. This channel is all about teaching you how to use artificial intelligence to work for you so you can create more and move faster than ever. How to create an AI influencer. The tools you're going to need is Hicksfield.ai. Just an overview. Hicksfield AI is an all-in-one platform for AI images, AI video, and realistic AI people. So you don't need multiple tools to get started. It's built for beginners and creators who want everything in one place. So let's talk about what an AI influencer is. An AI influencer is a digital person made with AI. They aren't real, but they look and act like a real human. AI influencers can post photos and videos, promote brands, and create content without anyone being on camera. First thing we want to do is visit Hicksfield.ai. We want to go into the middle of the page where it says AI influencer. From here, we want to create our influencer. On the right panel, we have everything from the character type. We could go from human to alien to a bee or a reptile. Gender, ethnicity, skin color, eye color. These are all your options to be able to create the perfect AI influencer for you. Once you're complete, select generate your influencer. Then I want you to select edit in Nano Banana. So we've created our AI influencer. Next thing we want to do is select edit in Nano Banana Pro. Next, it'll take us to this page here. From here, we can adjust things like aspect ratio, quality, batch size. Basically lets us know how many generations we want at a time. And we can simply just type in our prompts, and because we have our AI influencer as our reference image, it's gonna put them in any environment we tell it. For example, she's in the gym running on the treadmill. This is our AI influencer. She's taking a selfie in the gym. This is our AI influencer. She's shopping at the mall. Notice how she's wearing the same similar clothes as our original image here. But what if I wanted to take it a step above and I wanted to change her outfit, right? This is where we get into character consistency. Again, make sure your first image is uploaded into Nano Banana. You can then go to any website, select right click, download your images, and then upload it inside Hicksfield. There's the upload button, and these are the images that I downloaded. Notice I used an image that is kind of like a medium shot, a wide shot, and a close-up shot to be able to just get the clothes from this particular model. From there, we can copy and paste this prompt, which is also downloadable in the description. We're gonna go ahead and paste this inside Hicksfield here, and we're going to upload our reference images that we want our model to be in. Now, I've already done this, so let me go ahead and show you what the result is. And here we have it. She's doing a muscle pose in the mirror. She's advertising the outfit that we downloaded off of whatever website that you want to download, whether you want to make a fitness brand, whether you want to make a high-end fashion brand. We're able to do that by just using the prompt that I provided you in the PDF. The next steps to start making money with an AI influencer here is to choose a niche brand. Set up your social media, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, start posting starter content, and you can use the prompts right here in this tutorial. Number 3, create spec ads as a simple portfolio. You can sell AI content as a service, UGC ads or promos. This is simple because you can reach out to a brand. Let's say it's a jewelry brand. You can start creating AI content for them and then sell it to them as a service. You can also create your own AI influencer and have them market different brands, products, and put the affiliate link right in the link with number 5 shows you. Use affiliate link or license the AI influencer to different brands. Number 6 is my favorite because everyone needs content. So reaching out to smaller brands may be your best bet, simply because you can reach out to people that's local, people that you know that may have businesses for themselves, and it's just a easier barrier of entry, reaching out to people that you can simply DM, text, or call and be like, hey, let me show you some things that I was able to make with your hat brand or your clothing brand. And then you can always price your content from there. Package offers with clear pricing. You could do something like, hey, $150 for 10 images promoting your brand. Something simple like that, or depending on who you're talking to, it can go up from there. Scale by reusing the same AI influencer. Maybe you might create a couple AI influencers, but people really like a particular look. Well, that particular look can be replicated, duplicated, and you can lend that influencer out to be able to market different products. And you can find examples of these AI influencers here in this downloadable PDF link. It does cost, but it's right in the description, and it'll give you a good starting point of where to base your content on and seeing what's working. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it. Until next time, y'all. Peace.